Hey. Hey. Oh, what's that you've got there?
Some wild birds.
Really? Where'd you find them?
Over in that field.
If you don't mind me asking, what are you going to do with those wild birds?
I'm going to play games with them.
Games? What kind of games?
I poke a stick at them and scare them and make them fight with each other. That's what I do.
What happens to them when you're done playing games with them?
I feed them to my cat. My cat loves wild birds.
I tell you what, I'm really fond of wild birds. Let me buy them from you.
Why would you want these birds? They're no good for nothing. They'll just fly away.
How much?
Oh. $5.
Okay.
Wait. $10.
$10.
Wait, no. $20. That's my final offer.
You found these birds in a field.
An exotic field.
All right. $20. Here you go.
Here you go, mister. Nice doing business with ya.
Little ones belong. They are weak, but he is strong. There you go. Go on now. You're free.
I see you looking in the cage.
Yeah. What have you got in there?
You know what I have in there.
Mankind. Where did you find them?
In the garden. The funny thing is, I didn't put them in there. They put themselves in there.
What are you going to do with them now that they're in the cage?
I'm going to play games with them.
Games. What kind of games?
Games they think will bring them so much pleasure, but leave them so empty. I'm going to make right seem wrong, and wrong seem right.
And then?
They'll be damned for all eternity.
My father and I are really fond of mankind.
So what are you saying?
I'm going to pay for their freedom.
Why would you want these humans? They're no good. They've turned their back on you before, and they'll do it again.
Some will, and some won't.
You're serious.
I'm very serious.
You know, it will cost you everything. It will cost you your tears.
I know.
Your blood.
Yeah.
Your life.
I know.
You're willing to give your life?
I'm willing to give what it takes.
Fine.
For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth on him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. There you go. You're free. They are weak, but I am strong. Amen.